Hey guys, welcome back. We already looked at some use cases for code interpreter yesterday. So I wanted to show you the second use case, which is we looked at data analysis and visualization. So today let's look at converting between file formats. So I have looked at some of the use cases. I might not have covered all the use cases. So when I come across them, I'll make a part 2 of them for once, which I won't be covering in this. So here are the use cases I'll be covering for this. So the first one is, this is the 2D image we will use, and this would be the prompt. So we will ask ChatGPT to analyze the RGB of the pixel and output a 3D surface map of the colors of the images in this image. So let's get started here. I have this prompt, and let me go to the example here, and let me go to 2D to 3D. You can do this, or you can look for any, or if you are an artist yourself, you can sketch it and you can upload that and see the 3D image of it. Or if you want to use somebody's sketch and look at a 3D image, you can do that too. So let's see how this would look. So yeah, we'll get the data here. And this is the code. So if you next time you want to do it in your IPython notebooks, or you have this library, you can do it yourself. You don't have to come here. But if you want, if you're not a programmer, you want to convert your 2D to 3D images, your code interpreter is the place which can do the work for you. Cool. So it gave us this, and let me ask it to do it on another image. Antala, repeat on this, instead of repeat, let me ask it again. So it's going to do this on this image too. So yeah, so and again, this is an alpha plugin. You might hit some issues. Whenever you hit, just don't forget to click regenerate. You will get the output again, but probably you should have a success rate of 80-85%. 10-15% of the times you will hit a roadblock. So just click regenerate and it will do a retry and give you the data. Cool. So it gave us the data here. So that's our first use case. And after this, this is an interesting one. So let's see this. So convert an image to ASCII. So I can basically ask it to take an image, convert it to ASCII, and let me upload an image here. Go back and yeah, let's upload this. And just wanted to let you know that this image is available to you in this PDF. I will provide the PDF link. You can save the image from here and use it. Or if you want to do it on any other image, you can do that too. So OCR, we already know, is optical character recognition. So if you have heard of Tesseract in Android, it can convert text from one language to another. Let's assume you come across a text in Mandarin. You want to convert it into English, or you see a text in Spanish, you want to convert it to English, or you see a text in French or Dutch and you want to convert to English, or you see a text in Hindi or any of the regional languages India has and you want to convert it to English, or you see a text in Urdu and you want to convert it into English, you can do that with this. So we are going to try out one example, and this is basically what my prompt will be. So all we need to ask is OCR an image and generate a text file as the output. So that's all my prompt is. And here is the demo how it looks like. So let's try it out ourselves. So we got the ASCII of the image. We gave it as. So I would leave it up to you. Does this ASCII look like what it is in the image or not? I'll show you the image again for you. This is our image and this is the ASCII we got. And if you want to copy it to Word or any of your notepad, you can do that. Or if you want to use this as input to any other prompt to generate images, you can also do that. So that's basically what I wanted to show here. So basically this is the next one. So let me go back to OCR to text here. So this is the one I showed you in the image. So I just asked it to generate it. So let's see what it's gonna do. As you can see again, PyTesseract. So it's a open source library which Google wrote it, and I think that's available to you. And whatever text we had is here. And do you agree or not? I would leave the judgment up to you. This is my R text, and you can try it on other languages too. So I've tried it on a couple of languages. It works fine. If it doesn't, let me know. I can investigate and try to come up with a list for you. So it does. So the next one is facial recognition. So if you, let's not go into Haar Cascade Classifier and all. Let's assume you don't know anything. So you just want to ask OpenCV a simple face finding algorithm like this and find the faces in the image. So let's see if ChatGPT with Code Interpreter can do this job for us. Okay, so this is my input. And let's see what it's gonna do. So here I already ran it for you guys. So this is how it looks like. It's able to identify images. So let's see what it's gonna do. Even if you don't know the algorithm, you can try it. It works. But if you are more specific on what you want it to do, it will give you better results and quicker results. So if you don't know, you can still try it out. It works, but it takes a little longer, and you might have to do more iterations on that to get the actual results you might want. And let's look at the sound. So it understands mathematical data, as you can see. So mathematical problems, both quantitative and qualitative, we are going to review it in the next series, in the next video. But what you need to understand is it understands math and can give you the sound. So this is the prompt. I will try it, and you can try it to do it on like Fibonacci series and other stuff. So the advanced prompt, I'll try to do it later on when I revisit this with the more advanced prompts. But just wanted, this video is just looking at the capability, what Code Interpreter can do in terms of file interoperability and what prompts it can support to give us a downloadable file. We have already looked at how to upload a file in the previous video, so I didn't spend about it. And you can revisit my previous video if you want to know how to enable Code Interpreter plugin. So I'm not doing it again. So yeah, this should give us a sound here, and it used this is the code. So if you want to do it yourself, you can do it, and we can do it here. So it gave us the count. Let me play it. So yeah, that was the sound. I'm not gonna play it. I don't know if it's a copyright or not. I just wanted to show you it works. So you are also free to try it out later on. And this is the last part what I wanted to show you. And I know this might be useful or not. So let's say create a QR code for any website. So I have given an Amazon website for a specific book here. Or if you want to do it for anything else, you can do it yourself. So let me use it for ChatGPT's Code Interpreter third-party plugins website itself. So let's do it, and it should give us a prompt here. And if you want to verify, I would not be verifying it here, but I can tell you what you need to do. Just open your phone, click a pic. You should see the upon the clicking a pic, you should see an link opening up, and just click on that link, and that link should take you to the website. And yeah, it created a website for this. So that's all I wanted to cover here. And these are some of the use cases which you can do here. And there are more use cases that can be done for converting the file formats. I've looked at some of them. I will do a second video on this with the remaining ones, and will point in the description of this when that becomes available. So keep a lookout for it. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.